How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, guarantee. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that with my unique system that I had developed for 6 years and been back tested to make me constant returns month after month. And if you guys stay long enough, there is a premium Discord for a low cost of only $6, and that includes my favorite trades with my entries and exits. And I'll post that in the YouTube comments down below. So let's get in right into the gist of Rivian. I want to talk about RIVIAN, RIVN. This is a very, trending stock. A lot of people talk about it. People are like, okay, we're getting down here in the depth of here. Where is the bottom here? Where can we potentially see a bounce? You would suspect around 15, 16 to be pretty strong support, as right in here we bounced a lot and we zoomed up. We hit a lot and zoomed up. But that is not where I'm trying to target. That's where a lot of retail traders would assume the bottom is. They'll be like, oh, okay, let's draw a line here, horizontal. This looks like support. It hit here, hit here, hit here, and bounced. That right there, I'm not saying it doesn't work, but a lot of retail traders are looking at that, and it will break, and we will form a new bottom. And I want to look past that, and I want to think like, what the big guys are thinking. Where do they want to push this for max pain? So if you're looking at these, you have the red band, and that's your sell zone. The green band's your buy zone, and your blue band is your potential target for price to go to. And so as of right now, the most conservative target is $17.58 from this area as we speak. Obviously, it can be like this where it gets overextended, and I traded some puts right in here, and then it, made some nice little money, and it kept going down and down. Right in here would be your sell zone, and it did it again right in here, sell zone, and this was a big drastic move. So you want to look for the buy zone, and look at that. Wow. See, price can go very drastic. As you can see, we ignore all these candles, and right in here, you accumulate your shares for the buy, and then the next day, it goes up, a decent amount. So we want to look for, in the history, I want to look for price to get near the green band to show me, hey, this is a buy signal. This is a strong area to get into. And then I'm going to use my other tools. Just because it gets to that green band doesn't mean you buy, because you will lose lots of money doing that. Because some stocks are super stubborn, and you got to look at other factors like price action, volume, my KDJ, and lower time frames to get a preciser entry. And then the most important, what I teach in my Discord, is accumulation. There is a way to accumulate where you don't get in too heavy in a position, where you can keep your skin in the game, because with this system we are very close to the bottom. It's just a matter of time before it pumps, and it correlates to this blue band. The last time we hit the blue band was at January 2nd, 2024. So knowing this, price has to hit the blue band, by the way. The longer price doesn't hit the blue band, companies will force price to recorrect and revert to the mean of this blue band right here. Price treads along it. The minute it gets too far away, it touches it. And this right here could have went exactly up, but when it hits the blue band, you take all your profits out because you don't know what it's going to do next. Price had a huge gap right in here, not touching it. It looks disgusting, so then candles now touch it, guys. So just remember, the longer it takes, the better the buy signal. And I do a lot of my trades just based on that theory alone. And made my Discord members thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars trading based on that little system. And it helps a lot, guys, just knowing it. Just knowing, like, you're confident. You're like, okay, I recorded on the most, it can be about a month and a half to 2 months. I see it very, religiously, like, that's like the max. The blue band has not been touched, and then you see this massive press release because they know, the algorithms know we got to touch it, and then we will resume on the downtrend or uptrend. So for Rivian, I'm looking for a price. I repeat, a price of around the $13.46 zone. That is where the buy zone is. That is where I would get alerted. And I'm just looking at some support around here. Looks like that buy zone is right here at this support where we had the massive rally. So we're going to ignore this support zone right here, which is so obvious for retail traders, and you're going to get the more foundational support right in there. And that's kind of where it's correlating it to. But I'm going to do what the system tells me to do. I'm not going to look at, just support and resistance. I'm looking at what this system tells me to do. Then I'm going to look at my experience and how do I get a precise entry for Rivian to make my Discord members lots of money. And if you want to be a part of the premium Discord, this is what it looks like. It's very interactive. I'm very personal. I'm very transparent, guys. And like I said, for a low cost of only $6, I yet to find a Discord that is consistently profitable, that makes entries and exits to my members before I get in. And my favorite trade idea with my setup video, where you can get your chart to look exactly like this. This is one-time offer. The minute I get a 500 members, which we're getting very close to, I am not going to do this offer anymore. This is a one-time offer because I know everyone's hurting. I know people have small accounts and they're like, okay, I only have $500 to work with. I can pay the $6 and I can make, $250 a week or every 2 weeks, and that pays it off quite well. Whereas some of these Discords they're charging $100, $200, and then, God forbid, they're charging $1,000. That is not how you do it. This right here will get you in the game because I'm a real life trader that I'm putting my money into, and like I said, I am a 6 to 7 years trading this system. I got tired of losing money, so I spent a lot of nights looking at all these indicators, looking at what works, looking at the probabilities, what's my edge, and this works. We're on a 6-month win streak of no losses, and that is crucial to have a financial free life, of getting rid of your 9-to-5 job and spending time with your family, going on vacations, and doing all that stuff with your one life that you are given, and don't waste it, working your whole life. So this right here, guys, is a proven system. I'm the living breath of it. I love it. You can talk to any members on it, and it's only $6, so what do you have to lose? If you guys like this video, you like my analysis of Rivian, of where I'm looking to get the price, and you want other people to find it, do give it a like, give it a subscribe, comment on the video. It helps the algorithm a lot to share this video to other people that are, obviously, if you clicked on it, they are looking to find the bottom of Rivian to make these massive gains like it did up in here and like it did up in here. These are massive gains. I know a lot of people just like to find a company and they just want to know what is a good entry price on a good company they love. Well, this strategy will help too, where you find the bottom of Rivian, and then you can just hold it for a month and just see, and make those really nice returns if you want to be a long-term investor. Me personally, I'm in and I'm out. I'm looking for those 10 to 20% spikes, but you do as you want. This premium Discord will be in the YouTube comment section, so scroll down below. I will pin it, and it will say, join the premium Discord for the best trades, and they are the best trades. I guarantee it. You're gonna love it, guys. Let's make some freaking money. I'll see you in there, guys, and catch you later.